Hello friends, you are studying exercise 7.4 of coordinate geometry. In this, a question is given: a line divide the point. It is a line given 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. It divides the line segment AB in the two parts. Find the ratio of this. This line is dividing, means P is a point which is dividing. So what is the coordinate of P? First you find out according to the x1 y1 x2 y2 according to the section formula. We will get here 3m1. It is m1 and m2 dividing. Forget about line. Point P lies on this line. That is another thing. But P is the line intersecting at one point. That's why you are getting. So 3m1 plus 2m2. x2 is x1 is this upon m1 plus m2 comma 7m1 plus minus 2m2 upon m1 plus m2. It is the value of x and y. You are getting, but this P lies on 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 into x 3m1 is satisfied the equation. Therefore, it will satisfy the equation plus y. Plus y means 7m1 minus 2m2 upon m1 plus m2 minus 4 is equal to 0. In this it is satisfied. You put the value xy from the P in the given equation. So 2 3 is 6m1, take LCM, m1 plus m2 is the LCM, 6m1 plus 4m2 plus 7m1 minus 2m2 minus 4. m1 plus m2 will be multiplied here, 0 upon 1, 4 m1 minus 4 m2 is equal to 0 upon 1. Cross multiply, you will get 6m1 6m1 7m1 13m1 and 4m2 minus 2m2 plus 2m2 minus 4m1 minus 4m2 is equal to 0. So 4m2 again 9m1 and 4 by 9 minus 2m2 is equal to 0. So 9m1 is equal to 2m2. Therefore, m1 upon m2 is equal to 2 upon 9. 2 is to 9 is the ratio. You are getting m1 upon m2. 9 will go that side, m2 will go, 2 is to 9 is the ratio of this. Okay, 2 is to 9. Next, you will see what is, find the relation between x and y if the points are collinear. Find the relation between x and y. Collinear points is given. What is given? X comma y, 1 comma 2, 7 comma 0 are collinear. So no need to find the relation like a distance formula. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to 0. So half x1 y1, it will be x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Put the values here. Half x1, what is the x1? X 2 minus 3, y2 minus y3, area formula. x2 1, 3 minus 1, 0 minus y, plus x3 7, y minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 minus 2, 3 1 minus 2 means y1 minus y2. That formula half will go that side over 2x plus minus y plus 7y minus 14 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 6y minus 14 is equal to 0. X plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. It is the relation you are getting x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, relation between the x and y. It is given in the distance formula you can get, but distance is not here. Area formula you will find out. Area x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1, x3 y1 minus y2 and half. This is the formula of area. I have put value and get it. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given. Find the center of a circle passing through. Find the center of a circle passing through point 6, 6. There is a circle which is passing through 6 comma minus 6, a point A 6 comma minus 6, and another is given 3 comma minus 7, another is given B and C. It is given 3 comma 3. So there is a point given. It means here is a center. Center of a circle, you find the center of a circle. Find the center of passing through the points this. So what will you find out here? Distance between the points are equal. Here OA, OB and OC. These are the radius. You are getting center of the circle which passing through these 2 points. First you find out OA. OA let the x comma y. OA is equal to distance OA. This is the center. So what will you get? x2 minus x1. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square. Equidistance formula will apply. X minus 6 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square. OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OC here. OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to under root x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square. OC is equal to distance formula x1 y2 x1 minus x2 whole square x minus 3 square plus y minus 3 square. So these two you take because OB is equal to OC, radius of the circle. Therefore OB square is also equal to OC square. So square root will be cancelled. X minus 3 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to y plus 7 square. Y plus 7 square is equal to x minus 3 square plus y minus 3 square. Because root will be reduced by square, so x minus 3 both the side cancel. Y square plus 7 to the plus 14y. 7 to the 14y plus 49 is equal to y square minus 3 to the 6y plus 9. So y square will be cancelled. 14y plus 6y is equal to 9 minus 49. 9 minus 49. What will you get? 14y. 14y. 20y is equal to minus 40. Then y is equal to minus 2. Y you are getting. Put the value of y in any one. Here OA is equal to, radius is there. Any place you will put the value OC radius. Distance formula. Y you are getting. Now again compare any two. OA equal to OB. Put the value y, you will get the x. X minus 3 is cancelling. Another 2 you take. OA square is equal to OB square. So what is OA square? X minus 6 square plus y plus 6 square. Y plus 6 square is equal to x minus 3 square plus y plus 7 square. Any two you can take, other two, this and this. Because you will take this will be again cancelled. So you are taking these two, x minus 6 here, x minus 3. The square is reducing the under root. So x, put the value of y here. x minus 6 whole square plus what is the y? Minus 2 plus 6 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 plus 7 whole square. Open the bracket. X square plus 36 minus 12x. Here 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. Minus 2 plus 6 will 4. 4 4 ja 16. X square plus 9 minus 6x. 5 5 ja 25. Both the side x square will be cancelled. 36 minus 12x plus 6x is equal to 34. 9 plus 25, 34 minus 36, 46 and 6, 42, 52. 6, 6, 12, 52. So you are getting minus 6x is equal to minus 18, then x is equal to 3. 6 3 is 18. Therefore, origin is equal to 3 comma minus 2. You are getting the coordinate of the origin is 3 comma minus 2. Very simple. Coordinate of the origin is 3 comma minus 2. It is the origin. By these two, because both have 3 and 3 3 cancel, I am getting y and then getting the coordinate of the this. Two opposite vertices of a square is this. Find the coordinate of other two vertices. Square is given. Question number 4 you see. Question number 4 of this. Very simple. There is a one square ABCD. Square have right triangle angle here. We will apply square A, B, C, D. Two opposite vertices of a square is minus 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 2. So it is x comma y and you find out by this. By Pythagoras, you first find out the AC. Question number 4. Question number 4 of this you are seeing. You want to find out the coordinate of other two vertices. You will apply the same thing here. This side is equal. AC is equal to A root 2. What is AB and what is the BC? Both will be same. AB is equal to BC, one thing. Another thing, Pythagoras. What is AC? You calculate by distance formula. AC. x2 minus x1, 3 plus 1 whole square. y2 minus y1, 2 minus 2 whole square. First you find out this AC. By Pythagoras also we will apply first distance formula. So here I am getting 3 minus minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 1, 3 plus 4 4 just 16, under root 16, that is you are getting plus minus 4. 4 unit distance between them, 4 you are getting. So 4 you are getting, now you will see AB. AB is equal to, what is the AB? AB is equal to under root x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. BC is equal to x minus 3 whole square and y minus 2 whole square, or not? AB and BC. AB is equal to this, BC is equal to this. So, AB is equal to BC. Why? Sides of square. Sides of square it is equal. So AB square is also equal to BC square. So square root will be reduced. X plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Square root will be reduced. This will be cancelled from both the sides, plus here minus, subtract. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x. X square cancels. 2x plus 6x is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. So 8x is equal to 8, then x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 you are getting, and AC you are getting. Apply Pythagoras. Now x you are getting, x is 1. triangle ABC by Pythagoras. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Put the values here. All the root will be cancelled. All the roots will be cancelled and you will get A root 2. AB root 2 is equal to. You can get that twice AB and BC are equal. Both are the same thing. Put the values of x here. What is the AB square? AB is x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus root is cancelled. BC is given x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to AC. 4 square means 16. Put the value x is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 square plus twice of y minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 square is equal to 16. These two I am adding. So 1 plus 1 2 2 to the 4 plus 2 y square minus 4y plus 4 plus minus 2 to the 4 is equal to 16. So 2y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 16 minus 8. 8 is there. So y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 8 by 2. You will cancel. 2 4 is 8. So y square minus 4y is equal to 4 minus 4 0. Y is common, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. There is a two answers you are getting. Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. So coordinate 1, if B will be x 1 comma 4, then B will be 1 comma 0. R 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 4. You will get the two coordinates 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 4. So there is a opposite vertices 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 2 values of y giving you with the 1 value of x. That's all for today. We'll tell you the next lecture of this part.